Hey, I'm Charting Man Dan. If you like this video, I encourage you to check out our website, TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis, learning, and education, where we broadcast live market coverage every morning, provide live chart consultation, and point out key levels on your favorite plays in our community chat room. Why not check out our free trial and join the best technical analysis community online? Looking at GBSN on the daily and weekly time frame, the reverse split was enacted today, and we had a gap down open, a little bit of a dip. The bulls bought the dip. We had support back here of 472. We hit a low of 452, so a bit of a lower low, but it's all about where we close, and clearly the bulls bought the dip. So we regained the middle Bollinger Band, the 10-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average, all in today's candlestick. 643, 596, and 674 all turned into support. So very strong volume, and from here we're looking to see if the bulls can establish this support, continue to hold it, and then make another move up to the recent high of 1152. So there is a lot of negativity around reverse splits, and that is because oftentimes they are done by penny stocks and low cap stocks, and essentially what they're doing, you get the pumpers that say it's because they want to uplist, blah blah blah, whatever. Block out that noise. The reason that companies do this is because I'm not saying this is GBSN, I have not read their financials, but I have experience in the penny stock world, and it is when the authorized shares are maxed, meaning the outstanding shares are reaching the authorized shares. They can no longer dilute, which means they can no longer fund their company or pay their salaries because they are not profitable companies. So they reverse split, which essentially keeps the authorized shares the same, cuts the outstanding shares, and in this case it would have been cutting the outstanding shares, dividing it by 35, and creating a whole lot more room for dilution. I'm not saying that is what is happening with GBSN, but if I had to bet without doing the research, I would say that's exactly what's happening. So that is the reverse split negativity. It allows for more dilution, and obviously dilution destroys shareholder value, and it's the reason that anybody investing in penny stocks, 99, let's say 999 out of 1,000 times, they're going to be losing money. So it's looking at that key, 1152 resistance, and the low today is a must-hold support from here on out at 452, and the absolute must-hold support is down at 369. So we'll see what kind of upside there is. If you are trying to go long in GBSN, more than a day trade, you need to read the financials, you need to read about convertible debt financing, dilution. It is a big issue, and people lose a lot of money because they have no idea to what's going on. So real quick, convertible debt is when a company goes to a lender, says, give us some money, we'll give you discounted shares, we'll give them to you 40% lower than what the current rate is of our stock. So the lender says, sure, here's $1 million. Lender gets the shares. As soon as they become free trading, the lender sells them very rapidly. They don't care what price they get for them because they have them at a 40% discount. They're making money no matter what, and they crash the stock price. So that's what happened here with GBSN back earlier on when we made that huge dump. Now we're trying to establish that support, and a break of 1152 will go a long way for establishing some short-term upside for GBSN. So that's my spiel, a little bit longer and a little bit more rambling than I was anticipating. So thanks for bearing with me. TheChartGuys.com is the website. Free trial, no credit card required. Come check out the community. We would love to welcome you. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.